Understanding in a state of panic. A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might come across in English conversations, books, or movies, in a state of panic. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you grasp the emotional context in different scenarios. So, let's dive in and discover what it means to be in a state of panic. The phrase, in a state of panic, refers to a condition where an individual or group of people are experiencing intense fear, anxiety, or worry. This state often leads to irrational behavior, hasty decisions, or even physical symptoms like trembling or sweating. It's not just about being scared. It's a more intense feeling that can overwhelm someone's ability to think clearly or act logically. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. During an earthquake, many people find themselves in a state of panic, unsure of what to do or where to go for safety. 2. When a child goes missing in a crowded place, the parents might be in a state of panic, calling out their name and asking everyone if they've seen their child. 3. If you're late for an important interview and can't find your keys, you might enter a state of panic, frantically searching everywhere. These examples show how panic can arise from fear for one's safety, concern for loved ones, or stress from a potentially life-altering event. Now, let's learn how to incorporate this phrase into your own sentences. After hearing the fire alarm, the entire building was in a state of panic. She was in a state of panic when she realized her passport was missing from her bag. The city was in a state of panic as the storm approached. Practicing with these sentences will help you become more comfortable using this phrase in various contexts. And that wraps up our discussion on what it means to be in a state of panic. We hope this video has shed light on how to understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances that convey emotions and states of being. Don't panic, you're making great progress. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.